everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's just Clarice, and today I'm going to show you guys my go-to minimalist makeup routine. It has very few steps, it's super simple and very fast. It takes less than 15 minutes to finish, and that's what makes it perfect for those days when you're feeling kind of lazy and you don't want to do a full face, but you want to do something. And it also makes it perfect for when you need to wake up really early for work. So without much further ado, let's dive right on into this tutorial. First, we start by prepping our skin. I've already washed my face and applied toner, so the next step is to moisturize. I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer with SPF 15. I love this stuff because the SPF keeps my skin protected in the summer sun, and the lotion leaves my skin with a natural dewy sheen. I'm also going to be applying some of my favorite Too Faced Hangover Primer, just to the places that I'll be applying makeup. You can skip this step if you don't typically use primer, but I personally like it. I think it helps my makeup to glide on smoothly and last longer. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, and we'll be keeping things very simple today. So I prime my eyelids with some concealer to give a neutral base and help the shadows last longer throughout the day. I'll be using only 3 shadow colors for today. First, I'll take a fluffy brush and dip into a cool toned brown shade that I'll use to define my crease and create contrast. Then, with a tapered blending brush, I'll dip into a warmer brown shade, which I'll apply to the outer corner. I want to cover the area without going too low, as that will create a drooping effect. Last but not least, I'm going to take this warm-toned pink shimmer shade and place that all over my lid using my finger, dragging from the inner corner outwards and blending softly to prevent any harsh lines or edges. Voila! With that, the eye look is done. For base makeup today, I'll just be using concealers. If you really wanted to, you could apply some BB cream or a tinted moisturizer first, but for days with very little redness and or blemish marks, concealer should be enough. I'm going in first with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. It's a good match for my skin tone and very full coverage, so I'm going to use it to cover my dark under eye circles as well as any pinky redness on my face. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade Light to brighten the center of my face. It's the same company and shade name, but significantly lighter, which makes it my ideal highlight shade versus a cover-up shade. I'm going to layer a little under my eyes and then add a few strokes to my T-zone. I'll blend it all out using a dampened Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. For eyebrows, we want them to just be a little bit fuller looking, but not too sculpted. I achieve this by using a tinted brow gel. This one is by L'Oreal and it's in the shade Ebony Brown. To set down the concealer, I'm actually using a powder that's recently been added to my collection thanks to Ipsy. I've been trying it out so I can give it a proper review. And so far, I really like it. It has these very fine shimmers that give your skin a soft, healthy glow, so you don't look so flat and mattified. It's the Banana Powder by Bellapierre, or Bellapierre, I'm not quite sure. Now it's time to apply some bronzer, and this is just to add some color and depth to our face. I'm using my absolute all-time favorite by Physicians Formula, their Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. Again, it's just going to give me that nice, healthy glow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's kind of the theme of this look. For lashes, I'm going for the natural look, so I'm just going to apply a few coats of the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and this is the Lots of Lashes edition of this mascara. This mascara needs some building up to get that desired voluminous effect, and I'm going to be honest, even after a few coats, it'll still be fairly natural looking. So if you like big dramatic lashes, this mascara is not for you. But I still think the effect is quite pretty. For lips, I want a color that's delicate and subtle, but not necessarily a nude. So I chose my Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in the shade Berry Healthy, a subdued purple pink that looks and feels great on my lips. It dries down pretty quickly without drying out the lips, and the pointed applicator makes it easy to line the edges without making a mess. Absolutely stunning. One last step and then we're ready to head out the door. To keep our face in place all day long, we need some setting spray. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set, which is great for locking everything in. I definitely notice my makeup lasting longer with this on, and it's a drugstore gem, so affordable. And there you guys have it, an easy, minimal makeup look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!